For lakhs of daily commuters and air travelers, reaching the airport is nothing short of a struggle. But now this narrative is about to change as MMRDA's ambitious Metro 7A project its 52% of its work has been completed. Spearheaded by the MMRDA, this ambitious line is set to deliver seamless, swift and stress-free connectivity to the heart of the city's air travel hub, that is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. It is an extension of the existing Metro Line 7, which currently runs from Andheri East to Dahisar East and connecting the Andheri East directly to Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Though just 3,422 kilometers long, it carries immense engineering complexity, combining elevated and underground sections to navigate through Mumbai's tightly packed urban fabric. Also, what makes this Line 7A truly transformative is the time it saves, where usually people travelling from the Mumbai suburban regions, it takes them around more than 2 hours to reach the airport. But now through this metro connectivity, it will be easier for them to reach the airport within a few minutes. If we talk about it, within 20 to 30 minutes, they'll be able to reach the airport. Here, the workers of the MMRDA as well as its associates are celebrating the Breakthrough Tunnel program that held here near the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis too participated in this event, where he came and congratulated MMRDA for its huge milestone, where the Breakthrough Tunnel ceremony happened. And from this, the circular surface that you see, that is from where the metro will be passing through. And because the extension of Metro Line 7, that is 7A, it has got only 2 stations. One is the airport colony and the second is the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport. And the best part about this metro is that it is half elevated and half underground. So one of its top is going to be underground, that is the CSMIA, which is right behind me. That its work is underway, as well as the other is going to be an elevated corridor that will be passing from above. 52% of the work has been completed, and we are expecting this metro to be operational for the people of Mumbai from December 2026, whereas MMRDA also plans to ensure that this particular metro extension not only connects with Line 7 but also the other metro lines that at present are operational for people. This is going to be an important change in the infra of Mumbai as well as its end-to-end connectivity, where it also joins you to the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, where usually on the Western Express Highway we see the traffic jam scenario, which has been remaining unchanged for years now. However, with this ambitious metro line project, we are expecting not only the traffic time to be at ease, but also people who travel and have to leave early hours ago to reach the airport or be it at their workplace. With this particular extension, they'll be able to come from the suburbs, get down to the airport if they wish to, if they're traveling, and or else they can also connect themselves to the Aqua Line project, which can lead them to directly Mumbai South. So an end-to-end connectivity from Mumbai's southernmost region to the other Mumbai suburban region is going to be an important achievement by MMRDA once this project is finished and it's completed for people to come and start using this metro. However, the date for now is set to be December 2026, where 52% of the work has been completed, and moreover we're expecting this work to be finished and later on start for people to enthusiastically participate into this ambitious project by the MMRDA.
आज छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज टर्मिनस से एयरपोर्ट स्टेशन तक का ये जो सेक्शन है, यहाँ पर एलिवेटेड मेट्रो और अंडरग्राउंड मेट्रो का एकत्रीकरण, एक कॉन्फ्लुएंस ऐसा तैयार किया गया है। उसका जो टीबीएम है वो आज बाहर निकला हुआ है। एक बहुत ही मैं ऐसा मानता हूं कि रोमांचक इस प्रकार का एक क्षण है, क्योंकि एक प्रकार का नया इंजीनियरिंग मार्वल ये मुंबई मेट्रो के माध्यम से यहाँ पर तैयार हो रहा है। एमएमआरडीए ने ये काम बहुत तेजी से हाथ में लिया है। जे कुमार कंपनी ये काम कर रही है और आप लोगों ने भी देखा जिस प्रकार से बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट कंडीशंस में इस काम को यहाँ पर पूरा किया गया है। इसके स्टेशंस भी आप देखेंगे तो भी बहुत डिफिकल्ट कंडीशन में वो स्टेशंस तैयार किए गए हैं। इसके कारण मुंबई करों को बहुत फायदा मिलने वाला है। अगले साल तक 150 किलोमीटर मेट्रो बने, ऐसा हमारा प्रयास है।